Want to know how to save money while making your bunny happy? Make a dig box. It is a play area, litter box, and composting bin all in one. To start, you will need 2 55-gallon totes, markers and measuring tape, a 1 1/2 inch and a 1/8 inch drill bit. Flip the first tote over and remove any extra parts, such as these wheels. Get your drill and 1/8 inch drill bit and start making holes while keeping the bit perfectly straight. Be careful, as you can easily break the drill bit. Now take a moment to enjoy your trypophobia. I mean hard work. See you in part 2. Part 2 of making a dig box for your bunnies, so that they will be happier while adding value to your garden. First, grab your drill that can hold a 1/2 inch drill bit. Then flip your 55-gallon tote on its side. Then make a line 2 inches down, with drill marks 2 inches apart from each other. Again, be careful as hot plastic will be flying over the room. These holes will prevent mold from growing, as the inside box from part 1 filters out liquids. Now drill holes on all 4 sides, while leaving at least 2 inches on each corner. In the next episodes, I'll be showing you how to fill the dig box so your bunny will never want to leave.
You ever just look at something you're making and think, hot damn, I'm good.